everyone. Welcome to our life in the Philippines.
Speak up.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, you speak up.
You speak
No,
up.
you speak up.
You speak up.
No, you do it.
You do it. Yeah, good morning everyone. Welcome to our life in the Philippines.
Alright, so they are now prepping for the concrete pavement, and what they say is going to be tonight sometime.
Yep.
Overnight. So when we wake up in the morning, it should be done, hopefully. It's been a long wait, 2 years. And we're going to enjoy it because the dust will go away. A lot of dust, especially during dry season, comes in the carport. You wash your bike and you come down the next morning, you have an inch of dust on it. Not an inch, but it's been dusty.
Yeah, and it's a little bit rain here. Because
Yeah.
we have a tropical depression, I think.
Yeah, it's not a typhoon, right?
Nope.
It's just a low pressure. And it's unusual this time of the year. Rain doesn't come very often. The rainy season here is mainly in July, I believe. July, August, September. And then it starts getting dry again.
Yeah. That's the end of the road.
End of the road. Yeah, we live on the end of the road. So it's gonna be nice. Smoky, smoky. Yeah, that truck needs some repair for sure. Oh boy, look at that. Can't even see beyond the smoke. They're discussing how they're going to fill it in once the road is in. It's going to leave a gap, and that's up to the house owners to fix it.